Welcome back to Proper Academy, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to turn off your age restriction on YouTube. So if you're having an issue with age restriction on your videos, it's not letting you watch videos, I'm going to show you how to fix it in this video. There's actually two different things that could be affecting this, and I'm going to show you how to fix both. Obviously we start off on the YouTube app. So you want to start by going to the top right and click your channel icon. And then once you click your channel icon, you want to go down to the bottom where it says settings and click on settings. And then here you're going to see that there is a restricted mode. Mine is clicked blue right now, which means it's enabled. You're going to want that to be disabled, so you want it to be gray. So you're going to click on that, turn it gray. I would go check now to see if your issue is fixed. If it is fixed, make sure you hit the like button. And if it's not fixed, then it's definitely the other way that I have to show you is going to be your solution. So the next solution is you want to go out and go to your email that's associated with your YouTube account. So mine would be this Gmail account. And then once you're on here, you want to go to your channel icon on here as well and click on manage your account. And then you want to go to your personal info. And you just want to check your birthday to make sure that you're over 18, because if that is not over 18, then you could be running into the same problem on your YouTube channel. So it's very, very important to have both of age and your restriction mode being off. Anyways, I hope I was able to help you out with this video. If I did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.